Hi there. We're going to walk you through setting up tracking. This setup is crucial for accurate data collection, which powers all the insights you'll gain. Let's get started. First up, website tracking. There are three main ways to do this. For most websites, you'll use our embed script. It's a simple code that you paste into the HTML of your website. Make sure you install it on all the pages you want to track, and ideally embed it in the header. The tracking works by default cross-domain, so no additional setup is needed for that. If your site is on WordPress, it's even easier. Just install our WordPress plugin, and it does the tracking setup for you. No need to touch any code. For those on Shopify, we have a dedicated app. Install it from the Shopify App Store, and it integrates directly with your store, tracking all necessary data. Next, let's talk about connecting your payment gateways or shopping carts. This step is vital for tracking sales and conversions. Here's an important tip. Connect either your payment gateway or your shopping cart, but not both. For instance, if you use Shopify with PayPal integrated, just connect Shopify to avoid duplicating transaction data in your dashboard. Finally, you'll want to connect your ad platforms. This allows us to pull in your ad spend data, which is essential for calculating ROAS. When you set up your ad platforms, don't forget to add tracking templates. Tracking templates are URL parameters that get appended to your links from ads to your website. They're crucial for us to track the performance of your ads accurately. Without these, you won't get the full picture in your analytics. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a robust tracking setup for your website, sales, and ads. This setup is the foundation of all the powerful analytics and insights our software offers. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. Happy tracking!